everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you're new, do hit that subscribe button, and yeah, welcome. So for today's video, we're going to try some TikTok DIYs, and we are going to specifically try the bleaching DIY. We are going to bleach our shirts to get some tie-dye kind of like patterns. I'll try and get a video on TikTok where I put on the screen. So let's get right into the video, and I'm gonna be recording it without talking. So bye. Okay, so first I'm going to talk about the yellow. Mind you, other shirts I'm going to use are already wet. So yes, the design I had in mind for this one is a spiral design that you all see on tie-dye, you know, that spiral vibe. So you just pull it into the spiral thing and secure it with rubber bands. Basically, that's it. I'm going to secure all the shirts before I actually pour the bleach on them. So let's head on to the black. Now for the black, I wanted a scrunch. I'm sure there's a name for it, but then like scrunch is what I did. So just crunching them together and also securing it with a rubber band. Like, they are also easy. And I hope it turns out well. Well, it did. Yeah, I think. So just secure that one with a rubber band also, and we move to the green. Now the green, I don't know where to start with the green because I had a design in mind, but that's not the design I did. And the design I did was for another design, but then I didn't even do it well. So started pouring the bleach on that. A lot of people diluted their bleach, and a lot of other people also didn't dilute their bleach, so I just thought I wouldn't dilute my bleach. So I'm just pouring the bleach all over the shirt in the rubber bands. So I'm doing that for the yellow, and as you can see, the green is kind of like lightning already, and I regret watching this because like I could have done the splash method where like it would like splash all over the green shirts, because it really faded into this white and it was really cute. So look on the line, doesn't that look like tie-dye? Like, tell me it doesn't look like tie-dye. If you guys want a part 2, comment, because I really want to do a part 2 with shirts that have not already faded on their own, especially the yellow. Look at the yellow, look at that spiral. Like, it looks so good. It really looks so good. Like, I don't want to do a part 2. Comment. You all see the yellow, like the yellow, it's coming. Oof, look at that. Look you and look at the black. The black looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. You guys comment for a part 2.